You can expect a lot from the 2018 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.